Come with me on this rainy junk removal job and let's see how much profit I made. This was a pretty small job consisting of pile number 1 here, pile number 2, and pile number 3 here. As you can see, I'm setting all the metal aside so that I can throw it on the back of the trailer at the end, because all the metal is going to go to the scrapyard before the rest of the junk goes to the dump. This old mower was so rusted out, the motor fell right through the middle here. I'm about 25 minutes into this job and we're on to the third and final pile. The last thing left are these 2 kids' bikes, and then we're ready to start loading up the metal. From start to finish, this took me about 45 minutes to load everything up, and I charged the customer $200. Stay tuned for part 2 to see how much I make at the scrapyard and for a full breakdown of the profit I made from this job.